What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for our support again, man. I say this every video because it's like I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Each week flies by so fast when you work full time, and like every time I look back at my videos, I still can't believe it's been 2 years, and the views are consistent. So thank you guys for that. A little bit later down the video, later down this video, I'm gonna stop by once it gets a little bit darker. I'm gonna stop by the shop that we got. So far, I ripped off the carpet, and there's still a lot of work to do, but you know, I'm happy right now. I'm doing what we have. I can't wait to see the results once everything's all set up. Dude, these backfires are crazy right now. It's popping crazy right now. Thank you guys for all the support, for real, man. Dude, this next couple years is about to be amazing. Hired so far 6 guys on the team. So far building a beast-ass freaking team. You know, there's enough work for 6 guys, dude. I'm going to get even more than that. So I'm gonna keep pursuing, dude. Keep trying to get more customers so I can hire anyone that's hungry, willing to do the job. You know, it's all about the opportunity. Like if people can take the opportunity and go full send, bro, you will succeed no matter what. And this is a good freaking job. Right now it's like on auto mode, so it shifts kind of whack. Woo! I hope all you guys been doing good, man. Definitely, guys, if you're not working full time, life is so much more boring, bro. You gotta find something you can pursue, man. Because like you just feel more fulfilled, especially if you're a man. You feel way more fulfilled when like you have something going on, and it's not just the same thing over and over again. Like something like hands-on, you know, something you're always learning something new. What the fudge? Yo! What the fudge? That's so rare. Dude, oh, dude, I'm not gonna be able to catch up. That was sick. That was so sick. Actually, I'll stay on this road. Perfect freaking. I love this freaking street. Oh my. Cadillac in front of me. Is that CT5? It's hard for me to like know if that's like a V8 version 1 or V6. They kind of, to me, they look kind of look the same. Like the exhaust, everything to me looks. I'm not. They're not really common, so it's kind of hard to tell sometimes. Come on, turn green, baby. I love this the way the engine shifts, bro. It's definitely way more aggressive than the Hellcat, that M5. Like, don't get me wrong, that M5 shifts nice, but something about this one, it's quick, bro. Woo! Dude, that whine is so freaking loud, bro. No other car sounds like this. I don't care what anyone's gotta say, bro. Freaking boat, I like this boat. It sounds freaking amazing. I freaking love it, dude. It's so therapeutic. How am I still enjoying this freaking car? It's been this long, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, there's a cop right there. Gosh. I can't wait, boys, till like after a year of just grinding out. I'm gonna be grinding like crazy, dude. This week I already worked like almost 90 freaking hours. Like, bro, freaking light work, bro. I love working, bro. I don't care. Like, obviously, I still love my life, guys. Like, I'm working 90 hours, but I still get to live my life every freaking day. But the amount of skill I'm learning each freaking week, bro, like, people are surprised that I was able to learn so much in 5 years. Bro, I worked, like, the amount of years I've worked, the amount of hours I've worked in the past 5 years is freaking crazy. And I'm so grateful. I freaking love it. Oh, it's coming there. Oh my. Those shifts, bro. Those freaking shifts. Oh, dude, this sunset's crazy right now. Lighting is crazy. This is so looks so. I love the mountains, bro. The mountains in the background make it so nice. Like, I hate it when it's flat. It's just so like. But to be honest with you guys, like, if you're living in a different state and housing is cheaper, just milk it, bro. Because here you gotta pay a big price, and sadly it's kind of too late, bro. Like 6 years ago was such a good time to buy a house. That's why I'm not in a rush to buy a freaking house, bro. It's way too expensive. It's crazy how much it costs to buy a house. And dude, interest rates have not dropped, bro. It's been like what, freaking like 3 years or so? 3 years, and interest rates have not dropped. Why would the frick would I buy a house and pay so much interest, bro? Like, I'm good on the. all you guys do good, man. Definitely, boys, definitely wait for interest to come down. Hellcats are getting cheap. So if you guys didn't buy one for the past 2 years, you guys like low-key saved money. Hellcats are not getting any more. They're not getting any more expensive, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like you would think that they're not making any more would help. Nah. Those freaking Hellcats are dropping value so fast, bro. It's actually kind of lit for anyone that is trying to buy one. But of course, I wouldn't rush it again. Like you guys should take it slow. You know, there's no rush, bro. Like we have the rest of our life to do this. Oh my gosh. Boys, even today I worked from 5:30 till freaking 6:15, bro. Actually almost like 6:30. I was like 6:20. Worked freaking over 12 hours today, bro. On a Saturday. It's a freaking Saturday, guys. And I'm still recording. You gotta work, bro. Like you can't make excuses, man. People say for real daddy's money. It's like, bro, just freaking work, man. Work freaking 4 hours overtime every single day. If you tell me you can't afford a freaking Hellcat working 4 hours a day of overtime, then you're just freaking lazy, bro. Freaking lazy. Let's go, boys. This is the shop. It's kind of way too tall for what we need, so I'm probably gonna. My goal is actually to make like another. So from the second floor, make little walkways going from here to the other side, so I can put like storage shelves and this and that. Cause whatever I plan to put here, which is gonna be like pretty much CNC machines. You don't really need, you know, a tall ceiling unless the machine's tall, but most of the time it's not. But this is the shop, boys. Ripped off the carpet. Ripped off freaking almost everything. Because the carpet was nasty, dude. The carpet was so bad. So there's already like a couple offices, small little office, and then upstairs. I'm trying to figure out what kind of paint I'm trying to do, you know what I mean? But yeah, boys, freaking we sending it full send. I was even thinking about breaking down this wall and extending it out there, like breaking down, put like a glass door, make this like a big living room with a big couch, coffee shop, TV, offices, more offices. That's what you do. It's be lit. This is the shop, dude. It's gonna be such. Can't wait until everything's complete and it's like goes as planned. I can't wait, bro. It's gonna be so awesome. So this is where we're taking it, boys. We're going full send. No stops on it, man. You know, years of grind. This takes years, bro. And it's not even about grind. It's about luck, favor, the people you know. Like, there's so many factors, dude. Like, it's all God's blessing, man. All God's plan. Definitely all God's timing, bro. If it wasn't... That's what I keep saying, guys. You gotta put God first, bro, because certain things happen because you got God in place, bro. There's so many different ways to make money. I'm investing all my money in different ways to bring different types of income. So let's see what happens next couple of years, man. It's got full send. Oh my. Dude, it is Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If I didn't record more, I'm gonna do a little nighttime POV, but if I did record enough, thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support, man. We're already at 5K freaking views on a couple of last videos, bro. Like, come on, bro. We keep it simple for a reason, bro. I'm not trying to do too much. I'm doing this for fun. Oh my. That's freaking crazy. Come on, turn green and do one last pull. Woo! boys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.